This is Infinix mobile phone clinic, and we are doing this video for those people that need it. Now we'll be showing you how you can disassemble your Infinix X605. So I'll quickly go to the step without wasting time. Now let's check it out, and I will show you some tools that you need. Now on the table here we have knife. I prefer knife as my opener. Then we have the model opener here. This is you can see this one. It looks like pencil. Then we have the flat opener. Then we have our screwdriver, which we also call status. Then we have tweezer. We also call it picker. Now these are the tools which you need for you to open the phone, for you to disassemble the phone. Now, as it is now, these are notify stylus, which you call Infinix X605. Now, if you want to disassemble this phone, you don't have to start from the bottom. You can start from the edge here, from the edges here. From the edge, there are about five cork clip here. One is here, another one is here, another one is here, another one is here. Now, this I prefer to use this opener, the knife. Okay, now we'll start from the edge here. Doing it. Power button and a volume flex. So you have to be very careful when you're opening it. Okay, these are the two cork here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can just pull it off. You can see this is the back cover. It disassemble our back cover. So you cannot remove all the peripheral down there. This is your charging port support, and this is the main support. This is the camera. This is the fingerprint. So thank you for watching this video. So I would like you to subscribe, hit the bell button, showing below our